Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the top two, and it is a charger for my Tesla. So we're gonna give this thing a try here. I'll show you guys what it is and how it all works. And we'll check it all out here. Let me just take out the one that's currently in there. Okay, take out all the pieces and parts and show you guys what all included. And then we'll move forward. Okay, so it comes with the charging station here, which would get mounted to the wall. And then we have the charging cable, which is the old school, like whatever the regular chargers. It's not the Tesla one, but it stays tuned because there'll be more. And then we have a 50 amp plug for it, and I have a 50 amp outlet over here. So it's hard to do on video here and not at a table. But here we go. So we have the plug, and then there, and then we have the thing here. And let's see what all the other pieces it came with here, and then we'll connect it up. Came with a mounting bracket so we can mount it to the wall, and then it'll slide on, it looks like. So we can, then it'll connect up just through this little hook here, so it'll mount onto the wall and connect up with that. That's what this is for, and it comes with all the screws and bolts for that. And then we also came with, look at this, comes with its own little Tesla adapter here. So how perfect is that? So I'll be able to, the instructions. But so I can go, wrong one. So I'll be able to connect it up with this and this, and then that'll connect up into my car. Now let me untangle all this wire here, and we will plug it in and give this thing a go. Holy mackerel. It comes very well wrapped. So this will be great to just keep in the garage. I'm in a workshop here, so it's not where the final destination, so that I'm not going to mount it to the wall here, but you get the idea of how they do. So this will be, so now I have the wire here, and I can go and plug this into the wall, and I'll show you guys this here in a second. Okay. I don't know if you guys can't see me here. Hold on a second. I'll move you all over so you can see what I'm talking about here. So here we go. This is the charger, and you can see here it says emergency stop. I don't know what that is. This is volt 247, level 32 amps. Current is 0 amps, so it's not going right now. Okay, I figured out what I did. There's a little button here on the bottom. That's the emergency stop. Watch, when you push that in, it's gonna emergency stop it. See, and it says emergency stop, stops charging. And then I push it in again, and now it goes connecting, and now it'll say it's charging. There we go, so we are charging. And I don't know if you can see what the reflection or not, but it is. It's telling the current right there. So we're at 7 amps already, 10 amps. 13, so it's working its way up as it's starting getting to go. So we are currently at 16, 18, 20. I don't know if you can see all that. We are at 32. I think that's the max. I think that's what we're set for. So yep, so we are charging my Tesla at 32.1 amps. So how cool is that? And it's been charging for 38 seconds. That's cool that it has all this stuff here. I can press that to stop it, and that's it. So cool. So we're charging our car now. So thumbs up.